Are you tired of fur and dirt taking over your home? Learn some simple and effective ways to keep your living space clean and pet-friendly. Welcome to our guide on ways to keep your carpets and furniture clean when you live with pets. Pets bring so much joy and companionship into our lives, but they also bring a lot of mess. It's especially challenging to keep your carpets and furniture clean with pets running around in your home. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks to help you care for your carpets and furniture, making sure your home stays fresh and clean despite your furry friends. You might think it's impossible, but you really can have a clean home and keep it pet-friendly at the same time. The first step is to use cleaning products that are safe for your pets. Avoid any cleaning products that contain alcohol, bleach, large amounts of hydrogen peroxide, or any phenol compounds. These can be toxic to your pets. Instead, choose environmentally friendly and non-toxic solutions to keep them safe. At Signature Carpet Cleaning, we use a non-toxic, hypoallergenic cleaning solution that's soap-free, eco-friendly, and safe for all pets. We highly recommend Eco-Logo certified and soap-free cleaning products for pet-friendly use in your home. Pet accidents are a common issue for pet owners, and quick action is crucial to prevent stains from soaking into your carpet's underlay, where it can start to smell and become harder to clean. If you're treating a fresh urine stain, place a clean, damp cloth on that stain and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the urine to wick up into the cloth. Next, use an enzyme-based cleaner specifically for pet stains to remove both the stain and the smell. Always make sure any cleaner you use is soap-free. Pet odors can be persistent and unpleasant. To find hidden pet stains, use a UV light. Pet urine will light up like highlighter on your carpet once you hit it with a UV light. For really strong smells, consider professional cleaning for your carpets, as it's likely that the pet urine is soaked deep into the underlay and you need some special suction tools to pull it out. Managing pet hair is another common issue. A lint remover is a fantastic tool to remove pet hair from your furniture. So this small brush you can get at the dollar store for $2 to $3. You want to just move it across your carpet or furniture in one direction. It'll pick up a lot of fur on this surface, and then to remove it, you just pull it off with your hand. It's a fantastic tool. It works on your carpets. We use it on our mattress a lot with our kitty cat. It's a great tool. Get a vacuum with a power head tool and use it regularly. This will go a really long way to removing hair from your carpets or from your furniture. You can also dampen a rubber glove and swipe it across furniture to gather hair. Amazon also carries a large variety of tools and gadgets to remove hair from furniture and from carpets, some better than others. Pets will often scratch your furniture. One deterrent is to place aluminum foil on the surfaces that they're scratching at. Generally, they dislike the sound and texture of the aluminum foil. You can wrap it over the edge of your couch if they're scratching the edge, or you can wrap it around a leg. Really depends on what they're scratching. It doesn't work in all circumstances. Only works if you can wrap aluminum foil around it. You can also wrap furniture legs with rope or apply double-sided tape to discourage scratching. On one hand, the rope is going to protect your furniture, but not necessarily discourage scratching. The double-sided tape, it really depends on your pet. Cats in particular, some can scratch right through the double-sided tape, and some will touch it once and run away because they don't like the feel or the stickiness of it. Really comes down to your particular pet. There's some sprays that you can use on your furniture or carpets to discourage scratching. However, these sprays often only last a few hours before needing to be reapplied. I use one of these sprays very regularly to discourage my cat from scratching the edge of our mattress in the middle of the night. It does work. However, I will spray it, and again, it'll only last a few hours before she comes back in and will scratch again. And sometimes if she wants something bad enough, the spray doesn't even do it. So it really does depend on your pet and how much these scents bother them. Be careful with what you're buying just to make sure that it is non-toxic and safe. Most of the stuff is designed for pets and should be the case, but when it comes to health of a pet, never make any assumptions. To maintain your clean carpets with pets, establish a solid cleaning routine. Vacuum regularly to remove hair, dirt, and other allergens. We recommend homes with pets get their carpets and furniture professionally cleaned every 8 to 14 months, especially if you're concerned about allergens or pet dander. If you have somebody in your home who is particularly sensitive to pet allergens, we recommend you be closer to the 8-month side of things. Don't forget to clean your mattress. This is one of the areas where a lot of dander and allergens can build up, especially over time. And for me personally, this is one of the areas where I notice it the most, is if there is pet hair and dander on or in the mattress. If you're installing new carpets in your home, choose pet-friendly ones made from durable materials, and consider treatments that make cleaning up messes a little bit easier, like a protective stain guard spray. You can also use doormats at entryways. This will go a long way to keeping dirt and mud under control as the pets move in and out of your home. Protect your furniture with covers that are easy to wash. This keeps them free from fur, dirt, and any pet accidents. Designate specific spots for your pets to relax by providing them with a comfortable bedding or a pet-friendly piece of furniture all to themselves. This can keep them off your nice couches. One of the things we use with our kitty cat is she has her own special pillow that we actually toss on the bed after we've thrown our cover on, so she can lay specifically there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more information, you can visit us online at signaturecarpetcleaning.ca or check out another one of our great videos.